Back to the channel, this your boy Jay Reed. Here's what we doing today. We are fixing to paint the wheels on the Honda Civic black. You heard it right, we fixing to paint them black. Here's why. I don't like this gray color. The gray always looks dirty even when it's clean. So we're gonna paint it black, and then we wanna see what that looks like on the ride. So the first step that I did was clean them up a little bit at least. It probably won't be that good of a job. I'm probably gonna get some more anyway, but for the time being, we paint these bad boys black. We got the VTEC wheel paint from O'Reilly's. So let's get these tires. We're gonna start with this side first. So let's get these off the car and start painting. The good thing about these cars being so low, or maybe it's a bad thing, is you jack up the front and the back is gonna come up too. Probably should be putting some blocks down, but we're kind of on an incline, so it ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. So we're gonna take that chance. Let's get these tires off. We are out here in the backyard. This is the paint I'm using. VTEC high temperature wheel paint. We're gonna wipe the wheel down a little bit. I did a shit job of cleaning it. So let's go and wipe it down, get it dried off, so we can start painting. I guess I have to do one at a time. I don't know. I may take the other wheel off and do one side at a time. That would be the most efficient way for sure. We'll see. We're gonna see how this gonna look for you. This may look like bullshit. We gonna find out though. We got the first coat on, looking good. I already messed it up a little bit, but that's okay. Just messed it up again with that. Take that off. Keep messing up. I think I'm gonna hit this with the heat gun so I can speed this process up. Let me go hook that up. We got 2 coats on it. This paint is actually working pretty good, and luckily what little wind it is just blowing in the opposite direction of the cars. But I probably should let that garage door down to be on the safe side. I think I will. But it's looking good so far with 2 coats. We're gonna put a 3rd coat, probably 4 coats. I got 2 cans. We'll do 4 coats per wheels, and we'll get this on and popping. Nice, we got that one done. 4 coats, really only needed to do 3, but we put 4 on there for good measure. Still drying, so we're gonna let that sit for an hour or 2. And let's get started on the other ones. I may not get to the other side today because these really need to cure before I handle them. So, I don't know, we'll see though. We will see. Let's get to the other side. We got the second wheel down. First wheel over there looking good. Drying in the sun, glistening like a motherfucker. Ooh. We got 3 coats on this so far. 3 or 2. Damn crow. But we looking good over here too. About ready to wrap this up. I know y'all probably thinking, you ain't even mask off the tire. Well, the reason is because I don't care. Let's put another coat. Now, how are we going to do this other side? I'm almost tempted to just put some bags over my brakes and paint these on the car. That's what I'm tempted to do, and go on and knock that out. I don't know. Really don't want to do that though. I'll just take. While those 2 wheels are drying, one thing that I need to be doing is start mopping up this turbo in the car to make sure it fits. I got an ECU on the way. I got a chipped P28 coming. So once that gets here, that's pretty much the last piece, and we can start installing. And I would hate to get to a point, as soon as I try to install it, I don't have everything I need. So let's start marking up some of this stuff and see what we got. The main thing that I need to start marking up is this intake pipe, because he gave me this turbo, but I don't even know if it fits, if it's gonna work, or what's going on. So we need to make sure that this shit is gonna fit over in that hole, or at least down there. So let's see. It looked like it's gonna fit. I don't really know which way it's supposed to go. Does it go like this? with the blow-off valve up top. I think it goes like that. I'm gonna definitely have to relocate this radiator, which I should be able to bring it back over here once this is removed. Ooh, that's gonna stink. Anyway, I got the distributor coming to convert it to OBD1. Man, we making moves. So here we go on this side. They look good, for sure. Does it make the car look better? It just looks different. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I don't even know if it looks better, but it looks different than what it did. Let's get the other side done. The side where we got all color fender. But while we're on this side, what do y'all think about that black? I'm thinking about painting the whole car black. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay guys, so I think we're done here. Took me just about most of the day. And here is what it looks like. Y'all let me know in the comments if you think this look better, look the same, or look worse. This is what it looks like with the black wheels. This one needs to be done a little bit more. You kind of see some of that gray coming through right there. So we're gonna have to go ahead and put an L for that one. Yeah, I don't know. Probably should have left them gray. But anyway, this car is not gonna remain this color for long. So for now, it's gonna have to do. Anyway, this your boy Jay Reed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.